Hello and welcome. I'm Freddy Proni with Véto-pharma, and today we're going to show you how to use Apivar, an amatraz-based product to help you fight varroa mites. Prior to opening your 10-pack of Apivar, we recommend you use latex or nitrile gloves instead of leather gloves. Once opened, the product will be activated, so please use the strips as quickly as possible. It's also important to note the batch code on the product for your record keeping. We start by separating the two strips. For dated hives, 2 strips is the correct dosage. For Langstroth hives, 2 strips for brood box. We are going to locate our brood frames and place our Apivar strip between the frames. The correct way to use an Apivar strip is using this triangle cut, bending it up like a horseshoe, and placing that in between the frames. Many beekeepers will simply hang the Apivar strip, and that is incorrect. So again, we will locate our brood, we will place our strips in using the beat method, and of course you can use a small stick or a toothpick, as these strips do have a small hole in top to accommodate that method. Ensure that there is at least 1 frame of bee space between your strip application. Apivar is not temperature sensitive and should not be used while honey supers are on the colony. When we revisit our colony, we should check the position and brood area of our honeybees. If we find that the brood has migrated, we should reposition the strips. Sometimes we will find the strips do have propolis on them. Please take your hive tool or a pocket knife and scrape or scratch some of that propolis and reposition the strip into a spot that is closer to the brood. Apivar application varies from country to country, 6 to 10 weeks. Please check your local label to ensure the correct time. Apivar is a controlled release, slow release product, meaning that you will not see a fast initial mite fall, but a mite fall over the extended period of time of the controlled product. It is very important to respect the duration of the treatment. Please do not remove your Apivar strips prematurely. At the end of treatment, we want to remove our strips and ensure that they are disposed of properly, which may be your local recycling center, or if in question, contact your local supplier to make sure that these are disposed of properly and do not end up in the environment. Thank you for joining us today to learn how to use Apivar. Please subscribe to the Véto-pharma channel. Thank you.